Araba! Nyanya! Araba, Nyanya! 5 on a seat! Auntie, I beg, how much be tomato for market today?
Tomato don't turn gold though. Yesterday I see dey 1K, today don't be 2K. Yesterday I tell my husband, say make him no vex. From today we go to use red hero, draw tomato for stew. At least it go still red.
We are taking back our country. The future of Nigeria starts today.
Get long-lasting and elegant perfume from Sosa Scents. We are located at Suite C06, Effort Mall Extension, Area 11, Abuja.
The gorilla kingdom rises against us, and today they fall. It's time to end them.
End them now! End them now!
The war for the jungle has begun. It's time to end them.
End them now! End them now!
In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a 3D pixel style of you, just like this very one on your screen right now. My name is Abbas. Let's get into it.
Your son has committed sacrilege. He stole the sacred Akpotakpo mask from the shrine. The gods are furious. He has 7 Eke market days to return it before Amadioha strike him dead. He left for the city, and I know nothing of his path. Onowu, danger looms. 7 Eke market day. I have spoken.
Hey kids, it's me, SpongeBug, and today I've got a super splashy Bible story for you. Jonah didn't want to go. He said, "Nope, not today," and ran the other way.
But God sent a superstorm. The boat rocked, the crew panicked, and Jonah said, "It's my fault. Throw me overboard."
Gulp! A giant fish swallowed him. TH3E days and nights. Yuck.
Jonah prayed and said, "I'm sorry, God. I'll do what you say."
The fish SPIT him out. Right onto dry land. Then Jonah went to Nineveh, and the people actually listened. So remember, friends, you can't run from God, and sometimes the best way forward is through a fish belly.
Alert! U.S. forces approaching from the east. All units, brace for impact.
In the year 2049, the United States unveiled its ultimate weapon, a force with no fear, no mercy, and no limits. War was no longer fought by men, but by machines.
Do not panic. We are AI, not human.
Tired of spendings without saving? With Nimbus Empire, I take control of my money. One smart contribution at a time. My savings grow, and my future looks brighter with Nimbus Empire. Join Nimbus Empire today. Save smart. Live for free.
Arise and shine, shine. Arise and shine. The glory of the Lord is now upon you. You got to shine, shine. Arise and shine, for your light is come. Jesus is the light. The glory of the Lord is now upon you. For
All the videos you just watched were created with AI. Click Learn More to get the course. Offer ends in 24 hours.